This tutorial is for the Picot Bind Off. It provides a nice decorative edge to your work, adds a lot of intricate detailing, and is really quite fun and easy to do. You start the process by just poking in between the first two stitches on your needle. Then you wrap the yarn around your needle and pull that through, putting that stitch onto your needle. You do the same thing again. Poke through, wrap around, and put the stitch on your needle. Now you're ready to cast off. So you just start this the normal way by knitting 2 and then casting off 1. And now we'll continue with knit 1, cast off 1, knit 1, cast off 1. You cast off as many stitches as your pattern calls for, and you just continue this process of knit 1, cast 1 off until you get to your last stitch where you put that stitch back on and start the process all over again. Poke in, wrap the needle, put the stitch back on your needle. Poke in, wrap the needle, put the stitch back on your needle. That's the cable cast on. And now you're ready to bind off. By knitting 2, cast off 1. Now knit 1, cast off your second stitch. Knit 1, cast off your third stitch. Knit 1, cast 1 off. And now you just put that last stitch back on your needle and you're ready to start the process all over. Another thing to add is the Picot Bind Off greatly benefits from blocking. So it's nice to block your work, really exaggerating those little points, and that will make it look just that much more detailed and pretty. That's the Picot Bind Off. Good luck with it, and I hope you found this helpful.